Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp account. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply download the WhatsApp application from your Play Store or App Store, and after the installation is complete, just simply open the application. Now you will get this interface at the very beginning. So over here, firstly what you have to do is just simply change the language to whatever language you want. So for doing that, click on the drop down box or the globe icon over here, and down below you'll find all the languages available in WhatsApp, as you can see right over here. So just simply choose which language you want and then just simply click on the language, and the language will be changed. Now after the language is changed, all you have to do is click on agree and continue. Now over here you will be asked a number, and the number over here will be the exact number that you want to create the WhatsApp account with. You should also have the access to that number because you will be receiving some OTPs. So just simply enter a number that you want over here. After that, click on next. Now it will ask you if this is a correct number or not. All you have to do is click on yes. Now a OTP will be sent over here. Just simply copy and paste and type that over here, or it will automatically verify. Now over here, if you have contacts on your phone who already uses WhatsApp, over here, all you have to do is click on continue. Then click on allow. Then click on again allow. Now after that, all you have to do is just simply enter a name and then enter a profile picture if you want to. So to enter a profile picture, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile icon and then just simply choose a photo avatar, or you can directly get it from your gallery. It's totally up to you. Now after you added your name, you will also add emojis by clicking on the option, and then you can also add emojis. And after doing all of that, click on next. And now after that, it will ask you that you want to create a passkey or not. So it's totally up to you. If you want, click on create a passkey. But for me, I'm going to skip it. So click on skip. Now it will start the initialization process. It might take few seconds, so be patient. Now after that, when your WhatsApp opens for the first time, you will find that everything is blank over here. And to send your first WhatsApp, all you have to do is click on the message icon at the very bottom right corner. And now over here, you'll find all the contacts in your phone who have WhatsApp account. Now, if you want to send any message or WhatsApp to them, all you have to do is just simply click on them and then type a message whatever you want. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.